Multi-story homes offer space, flexibility, and beautiful views, but they also come with unique ventilation and maintenance challenges. Choosing the right window style plays a key role in keeping every level comfortable and easy to manage. For homeowners in Washington, double-hung windows stand out as a practical and reliable solution for multi-story living. Smart ventilation for upper and lower levels airflow behaves differently in multi-story homes. Warm air naturally rises, which can leave upper floors feeling warmer than lower levels. Double-hung windows provide an effective way to manage this airflow. Because both the top and bottom sashes can open independently, Washington homeowners can create controlled ventilation. Opening the top sash allows warm air to escape, while opening the bottom sash invites cooler air inside. This simple design makes double-hung windows especially useful in homes with 2 or more floors. Easy operation for everyday convenience. Windows in multi-story homes need to be simple to use. If they are difficult to open or adjust, homeowners are less likely to take advantage of natural ventilation. Double-hung windows are designed with smooth vertical sliding operation. In Washington homes, this ease of use encourages regular adjustment for comfort, especially in bedrooms and living areas on upper floors. Safer for upper-level rooms. Safety is a major consideration in multi-story homes, particularly in bedrooms or spaces where children may be present. Double-hung windows offer the option to open only the top sash while keeping the bottom sash closed. For Washington families, this feature allows fresh air circulation while reducing safety concerns. Ideal for limited exterior space. Multi-story homes often have limited exterior clearance for windows that open outward. Because double-hung windows operate vertically within their frame, they do not extend beyond the wall. Washington homeowners benefit from a design that fits neatly into tight exterior spaces, balconies, or walkways. Simplified cleaning for upper floors. Cleaning windows on higher levels can be challenging. Many modern double-hung windows feature sashes that tilt inward. In Washington homes, this allows homeowners to clean exterior glass safely from inside the room, eliminating the need for ladders in many cases. Consistent style across multiple levels. Maintaining a cohesive look across all floors is important for curb appeal. Double-hung windows offer a classic, symmetrical design that works well on both lower and upper levels. In Washington neighborhoods, this consistency enhances the overall appearance of multi-story homes. Supporting energy efficiency. Energy performance is especially important in taller homes, where temperature differences between floors can become noticeable. Properly installed double-hung windows in Washington residences create tight seals when closed. This helps reduce drafts and maintain more balanced indoor temperatures across levels. Long-term durability. Multi-story homes often face varying exposure to sunlight and weather on different sides of the building. Double-hung windows are designed for durability and long-term performance. Washington homeowners can rely on consistent operation and structural stability throughout the home. Flexible placement throughout the home. Double-hung windows work well in bedrooms, bathrooms, living rooms, and stairwells. Their adaptable design makes them a practical choice for Washington homeowners seeking a uniform solution across multiple floors. A reliable solution for multi-story living. Choosing the right windows for a multi-story home requires balancing ventilation, safety, ease of maintenance, and style. For homeowners in Washington, double-hung windows provide a practical and versatile solution. Their dual sash operation supports airflow control. Their vertical design fits seamlessly into multi-level structures, and their classic appearance enhances curb appeal. By combining functionality and long-term performance, double-hung windows help create comfortable, well-ventilated homes from the ground floor to the top level.